Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing, and yes, it is the OnePlus Watch. Ta-da! Look at that. That is cool. So let's take a look at the back real quick. And here's some of the info. So there you go. All right, let's open her up. Dun, 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 dun. It's a little hard. Nothing in here. Here's the watch. Ooh, nice. And then there's a divider with a convenient handle. And then we have some literature and things in here, I presume. Let's have a look. Ooh, very long literature. Let's get started, it says. OnePlus Watch. So let's see if I can put this into perspective for y'all. Here we go. It's in multiple languages. As you can see, there's some illustrations, and in the back, looks like there's a little more. So yeah, that's one thing. Let's take a look at the rest real quick. Warranty and safety, it's all just text, we don't care. And then we have another little thing here, and I bet you that's the cord. So I think this is it for the box. Yeah. So the cord here has pogo pins. So this is not a wireless charging system that OnePlus is using here. They're using pogo pins on this stand. So that's all right. Hopefully they last. I've had some issues with some of the pogo pins corroding, at least on the watch side before. So USB-A. And this supports fast charging of some kind. Obviously, I don't think it's quite as fast as what they do with their smartphones, right? So that's pretty exciting. Let's take a look at the watch real quick. So here we go. There is a app list main dial button and a function key / power key here. And this is what the back looks like. And I think I want to take this off. Don't you? Let's see. All right, that worked out pretty well. Easy peasy. So the first thing you notice is that the edges here are round, right? Like right here, it's interesting. And it does use standard watch bands. So you can use any watch band you want. You just pull on these little clips here, removes them, and you can put anything you want. It comes with a very Apple Watch inspired silicone band. And this is obviously the black model. See all the sensors here. And see if I can turn it on by pushing a button or two. Yeah, there we go, OnePlus. So this is a 46 millimeter watch in diameter, 4.6 centimeters. It has a 1.39 inch OLED display. It's 454 by 454, essentially. And yeah, it's not bad. It's got some sort of STM32 based ARM chip. 4 gigs of RAM, which is used for storing music. You can actually connect this by Bluetooth directly to your OnePlus buds or any Bluetooth earbuds and stream music directly from the watch if the phone isn't around. Of course, Bluetooth 5, GPS, NFC, and you immediately notice this is not running Android Wear. This is running a custom OS, right? So that's actually pretty interesting. A lot of Chinese-made watches have some sort of real-time custom OS. And you're going to say, well, why not Android Wear? Well, because the advantage here is that this has a 2-week battery life. It's just like the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro that I wear, or like this Huawei band that I'm wearing right here. These things last forever because they run a very lightweight OS that's much, much more efficient than Android Wear. Of course, you don't get apps, but you get a lot of functionality. Let's see if I can set this up real quick. Probably won't be able to. There you go. So it wants me to download the OnePlus Health app and pair it from there. So this does not support iOS iPhones, basically. It does support OnePlus phones and, of course, any Android phone with this app, right? So it's not just OnePlus phones. Some of the functionalities include sleep tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, continuous oxygen level monitoring, automatic sleep detection, basically a lot of the things that are standard. Of course, step counting. It does automatic workout detections, had 110 different workouts. Supports GPS tracking during your workouts if your phone isn't around. It's IP68 water resistant up to 5 atmospheres. So you can swim with it. Obviously it has swim detection, all the workout stuff. So yeah, notifications are supported. Of course, you can also take phone calls with the watch. It has a speaker and a microphone. And yeah, it's a pretty complete package, as it were. But you don't get like specifically apps like you would do in Wear OS or an Apple Watch. Oh, and before I forget, it does have a 402 milliamp hour battery in here. So, charging for 20 minutes with these pogo pins through that dock that I showed you, this thing here, will give you a week of battery life, 20 minutes. So a full charge will give you typically about 2 weeks. If you're a heavy user and do a lot of exercise, a week. That's what OnePlus claims. So of course we'll find out in our review, right? So yeah, stay tuned for my review. I'll be reviewing this for Hot Hardware. And of course, I'll be discussing this on the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. So that's it, folks. Quick look at the OnePlus Watch. You can see the buttons here and giving you a quick tour of everything. A very nice looking, very classic design, but also not too over the top. Like it's just generically classic, I guess is what I would call it. All right, that's it, folks. Stay tuned. I'll have more videos soon. Like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me, would you pick this watch over, say, a Huawei Watch GT2 Pro? Or would you go Android Wear instead? Or would you go like Apple Watch if you're an iPhone user? Let me know. And yeah, subscribe to the podcast. I'm Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Spotify, everywhere good podcasts can be found. Check it out. And I'll be back with more soon. Cheers, everybody.